Another responsibility of being an aide is making copies in this copier. So the first thing you'll do is lift this lid and take the sheet of paper that you will make a copy of and place it face down in the top right corner. Make sure it's lined up in that corner. And put the lid down. Then you will select the copy button and adjust the density to 2 notches down to the left. And then you will apply that. Then you will select the number of copies with this keypad. So I will make 12 copies. Then you would select the start button. Another form of copying is going from 2 single-sided sheets to 1 single-sided sheet. So you will feed both of the papers into the feeder, aligned in the way that you want them to, and you will hear that beep so that you know that is in the right spot. And you will adjust the paper using these pinchers, and then you'll go and select copy, and again adjust the density back down to 2 notches and hit apply. And then you'll click the 2-sided button and go from 1-sided to 2-sided, and again select the amount of copies you want to make and press start. Lastly, you'll use, if you're making a double-sided copy from an originally double-sided paper, you'll put it into the feeder again, slide it in until you hear that beep, and then adjust it again so that it's nice and straight. And then select copy, adjust the density one more time, and go from, hit the double-sided button and go from 2-sided to 2-sided. And again, select the amount of copies and press start. Responsibility of being an aide is making copies using this printer. So the first way, if it's just going to make a copy of a single sheet of paper, you will take your sheet. Another responsibility of being an aide is taking,